In this drawing, I'm going to show you how to mirror geometry using the flip action. Before we get started, I expect you to already be pretty good with AutoCAD. I also expect you to understand how to create and edit blocks. And of course, bring your enthusiasm. What we will be covering is how to use the flip parameter and the flip action. To get started, use these reference drawings. We're going to begin by applying a flip parameter. If we go from bottom to top, you'll see that the arrow points to the left. We don't want that. So we're going to try again. We're going to go from top to bottom, and the arrow is going to point in the same direction as the arrow, which is what we want. Then apply a flip action. Select the mirror line and select the entities for the arrow. Press enter and we're done. Close the block, save the changes, and by clicking the arrow you can see that we can change the direction of the geometry. Join me in the next one and I'll show you how to build on this a little bit further. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my Patreon. In addition to the lessons that are available online for free, I also have a number of in-depth practice exercise, written instructions, and starter files and example files that are available to download. Please check the description. You're supporting not just me, but learners all over the world from a diverse set of backgrounds, different levels of education, and different starting points. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.